Yeah, in case I run out of space, yeah. I agree, but maybe
All right,
tomorrow.
Let's try to go back via the street now, or the same way back?
What?
Via the street or the same way back?
No, somewhere back. We need to go where there's a modicum of, how do you say, safety. We can go past the hotel and go to the outside now.
Oh, yeah.
If the sun is has softened. No, once we sleep and wake up properly with the energy.
Yeah, to tie them. It is also nice for our hotel.
Yeah. I love the view with my proper camera.
Yeah, man. If you bring a real camera, then
because then you can easily zoom in and still have a picture. The problem with
this is where they really do pedicure, not with a fish, but a normal pedicure. Look, see? That ends the feet.
Oh, I can have it while I'm sitting here. I just have to.
Oh, do you have on top? Oh no, they really messed up with you, didn't they?
Cannot do that. And there's no recourse here.
No.
It's not in England and no insurance. Tomorrow you wake up with your feet
Infected.
People like the sunset. Everyone seems to want to capture the perfect.
Expecting to have the same kind of lotions and shampoos that we had in Sitges, but we have this very cheap one bottle for everything, for hair, for face, for
Yeah, I saw that.
body.
Well,
And I didn't bring, of course, because I thought, oh, if we're in Melia, we're gonna have nice lotions.
yeah, I didn't see it as a problem because you have all these shops around
Yeah.
that
Yeah, of course.
we can buy all kind of stuff. Yeah. I need to put my camera to the other side if we don't want to see your hands moving.
Ah, yeah, in front of you all the time.
Oh my god.
Sorry. I should be on your left all the time.
Yeah. It's provide. I think it's provide additional safety, security. Even people cannot necessarily confront you because
It's all recorded.
yeah, unless you've committed a real crime. Here. Hello. Hello.
Maybe for lunchtime, no more.
Whatever.
Monica.
Watch out. Watch out. places where I want to go this way for no very specific need of.
Oh. Well, you can stand here for the time.
Yeah. Look at that sunset. Taberna tuna. I brought my sound recording device.
Are you ready?
Yes, dear.
It's all on the recording.
It's alright, dear. Everything is human. And how do you say?
But that smell is not human.
If you knew how people smell inside themselves. At some point I thought that it was just in one particular country. I went to Germany, Oktoberfest, and started, or even worse than England. Songs, do you know that if you put them in a video and you try to publish, then you get into trouble? We can go down, but then we'll have to come up. I don't know how safe it is. I didn't quite look how far it goes. But yes, it looks like Playa El Bobo. €6 for yeah. I already feel my feet
What do you feel on your feet?
hurting.
Why don't you bring those shoes? You bought shoes that you never ever wear at home.
No, I have those, the ones, but they might just be too dirty. Because I'm looking at other people's feet. Shoes are clean.
You buy new ones, are you? Yeah. There are plenty of shops that you just passed it.
Yes,
Half an hour ago.
Okay. I have a much higher standard sometimes. Was it coming? It's somewhat dirty, huh? Anyway, the walk. The only good side is that you can sit down on that resting bench. You have to go to the right. That sounded like a better version. But the girl who sang it died. Actually not. So how will those people survive with the flip-flops? Mile high. How do you survive with your flip-flops? Everyone wants to be treated like a king. Their feet being washed. He's going shopping for the women. And his caddy, his trolley. Oops, sorry. Look at those enjoying wine.
The sun is going down, see?
Of course. The sun needs to go down at some point.
Let's stop and take a picture. Here. If my camera still allows.